Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make this beautiful wig that you've been seeing in the previous pictures and videos. It's gonna be a very detailed but fast video. Let's get to it. As you can see, I've already made the frontal sewing. Check out that video in the description box below. And I start sewing my tracks really close to the closure. So I'm just gonna go all the way around. So from the top next to the closure all the way around. And please watch how I sew the tracks on the wig cap. I am not sewing it into the elastic band. I'm sewing it on top of the elastic on the mesh. Because if you sew it on top on the elastic band, it will prevent you from stretching the wig. It will make the wig not stretch out enough. So please sew the tracks on top of the lace wig, not on the elastic band. Not the elastic band on the wig cap actually. And as you can see, I'm just gonna keep going around doing the same process. The way I tie my sewing, I tied it multiple times. So yeah, just gonna keep going all the way around. Just keep sewing it end to end. That's the way I sew mine. The rest of my tracks. So as you can see, I'm sewing this, like every single stitch I do, I'm pretty much tying it. As you can see, it's already a circle on the thread, so it's technically already making a knot every single track I sew. So just keep watching this video, and then you guys can always please subscribe to my channel, like. I will keep posting more videos very frequently now. You can always tell me what video you would like to see, and I'm gonna try to try my best to make that video and post it. And yeah, just keep doing the same process over and over again. Yeah. Viewing purposes, I am gonna speed up this video because I don't want you to just sit here and watch me do the same thing for minutes and minutes. I'm just gonna speed it up, and yeah, just pretty much just keep doing the same thing I'm doing when it comes to sewing all the way around. So I'll speed up the video to just make the viewing process a little bit more easier. So I am done sewing the tracks on the wig cap on my wig. So now I'm just gonna have to just pluck the hair just to make it more realistic. It is a must. You must pluck your wig if you want it to just look real. So I am gonna use water and a spray bottle that I got from Amazon. I live in a very small town, so I don't have hair stores next to me, so I buy everything from Amazon. And just spray the water on the hair, and then yeah, just kind of easier for you to pluck it when the hair is wet. Just keep plucking it like I'm doing right now. I have a very detailed video on how I actually plucked my wig. I'm gonna post that also. So right now I'm just gonna kind of go faster, and yeah, but just keep plucking, and then just to make it realistic. That's the point. And again, I really appreciate if you guys subscribe and like to my video, and just always follow my channel, and you will know whenever I post any new videos. I really appreciate you guys really watching my videos. Thank you. Plucking the hair, I am gonna speed up this video a little bit, but I'm gonna be doing the same thing, plucking, and then do the baby hair, and then cut the hair, style the hair, and you will actually see what it look like at the end. Yeah, keep watching.
Yeah, pump, you gotta pump it. Yeah, put it on me, I'm a malasso. Yeah, come on, palate, darling, mush. Yeah, I just wanna call you out. Yeah, but the love will be stop with the wash. What's it about now? What's the elevate? Oh, me, could they have a net? I don't bad fella, want to suffocate. With the bad, doing the jellificate. All I do be, I'm a body with it. Oh, what do be, I'm a body with it. What the do be, I'm a body with it. Yeah, body with it. Yeah, I'm a body with it. Yeah, what's it about now? Yeah, what's it about now? Yeah, what's it about now? Yeah, what's it about? Yeah, no, bitch. Yeah, no, bitch. Yeah, no, bitch. Yeah, what's it about now? What's the elevate? And it's so pepper soup. Yeah, Jacka Jado, I'm feeling my bedroom. Yeah, oh, you both time you cap your car. Yeah, I got time break dance to the conga. Yeah, nobody tell it dream in the energy. Yeah, you're right, she be trying to big energy. Yeah, if you believe me, like I believe it too. Yeah, if you believe it, I'ma have believe it too. Yeah, while I waste time, me, I should cook. Yeah.
So as you guys can see, I'm done with my whole wig. I've already done the whole thing, and yeah, this is what it look like right now. This is the final product, and I'm actually doing this here. It's actually 3 in the morning here in Texas, but I'm always up, so that's why you kind of see the light is bright, just to give it that daylight look. But yeah, this is what it look like. The pictures before you see is the actual final look. And you can always follow me on social media, Henrickabeauty. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye, my beautiful people.